What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to unbox, set up, and test out the AirPods Max. I've been wanting to try these headphones out for a while and I finally got them and I can't wait to open them up, so let's check them out. Here they are and let's open them up. This is the front and here's the back. The big reveal. Ooh, these are soft. I'll see what else comes in the box. A guide and some stickers. Oh wait, no stickers? No stickers! Shocked. Not that I use them, but still. And the USB-C to lightning cable, which I'll use to charge the headphones. It doesn't come with a brick in the box, so you'll either need to buy a brick that fits a USB-C cable, which looks like this. And once you get one of these, you can plug in this side into here and charge the headphones using this side. Or if your laptop has USB-C ports, you can charge it from here. Or if you already have an iPhone, you can just use your iPhone charger to charge these headphones because they both have the same lightning port. Now for the headphones. Take all this paper off. And here's the front of the case. And underneath, it doesn't connect. I don't know why they have these holes. And the back of the case. I'll take them out of the smart case. Some more paper coverings. Here they are. These come in 5 colors. I got the space gray. They also come in silver, green, sky blue, and pink, and I'll put those options here. These headphones were $549, which is very expensive for headphones. You could basically buy the new iPad Air for almost that same price. So, just saying. And the battery life is 20 hours on a single charge, which sounds like a lot to me because I'm used to the AirPods Pro, which only lasts like 4 hours. So for me, that's going to be a pretty noticeable difference. Starting at the top, there's this mesh band, very soft, and it's supposed to distribute the weight evenly across your head. And it has a stainless steel frame, which should expand. I'll expand this side too. And it can twist, kind of. And there's a good amount of resistance when I push this back in, so I shouldn't need to adjust them too much once they're on. And this part is aluminum. And here's the ear cushions. They're soft and magnetic, so I'll pull these off. Comes off easily. And more mesh here. Oh, there's an L on it. Good to know. And I think it's a good idea to replace these every so often. They're $69 for a new set on the Apple website. I'm most likely not going to replace these too often. Maybe once a year. Maybe even once every 2 years. I'm not sure. It's really going to depend for me on how often I'm using these headphones and how well I think they're holding up. And it's nice that the ear cushions come in different colors, so I'll be able to switch it up and put different colored ear cushions in my headphones. And I'll put those color options here. This is also very satisfying and I need to share. How great is that? They're magnets, so it sticks right on. Now let's take a look at some of the buttons and features. The only buttons are the digital crown and the noise cancellation button. You can click this to turn on noise cancellation mode, where it makes everything quieter, or you can switch to transparency mode so you can hear everything around you. And with the digital crown, you can spin this to adjust the volume, which is awesome. I'm going to love having that right on the headphones. With the AirPods Pros, you can't adjust the volume from clicking anywhere, and I really wish I could, so I know I'm gonna like this. This is also a button, so you can click this in to answer phone calls or go back and forward between songs. And on the bottom of the headphones, you can see where the microphones are and where you can charge it. And some other features to mention about these headphones, they have spatial audio, which is basically surround sound audio. They can automatically switch from your Mac computer to your iPhone. So if you're listening to music on your laptop and then you get a phone call, you can answer the call, and these headphones will automatically know to switch to your phone once you answer it. And you can share audio with these, so if someone else has AirPods, they can also connect to your iPad or your iPhone or whichever device you're using, and you can watch movies or listen to music together. And yes, I plan on testing all of these features once I get them connected. I do want to try putting them in the case though first. Was that the right way? I don't even know. See if it goes the other way too. I guess it works both ways. The magnet's a little weak, not gonna lie, but it works. And since there's no on or off button, instead, once you put these headphones in the case and the magnet shuts, the headphones will recognize that they're in the case and it'll automatically go into low power mode to preserve the charge. And once you take them out, they'll wake back up. I think it's nice to not have to remember to turn them on and off, but if you don't put them back in the case, it will drain the battery since they'll technically still be on. Now let's set them up. I have my iPhone, my iPad, and my MacBook Pro ready and waiting, and I'm going to go through all the steps that I always go through every time I get new AirPods. And I'll start by connecting them to my iPhone. First step is I go into my settings and I make sure Bluetooth is set to on. Yes, I was listening to Tambourine by Eve. Who can relate? Now I'll hold the headphones close to my phone and my phone should recognize them. Yep, all I did was hold it up and it recognized them. That's awesome. Unlock to connect. So you can follow those prompts on the screen, or you can go into settings, click on Bluetooth, and if it says not connected, just click on it and it should connect. And I always like to go to the options screen to make sure everything's set up correctly for me. And to do that, I'll hit the blue eye right next to where it says connected, and then it will bring me to this screen. I first always like to rename them, so I know it's definitely my headphones that I'm connecting to. So I'll click here, and I can type in, I'll just make this lowercase, and hit done. Then I'll go back to that screen. I can control noise cancellation mode from here or transparency mode from here, but I'm most likely just going to be clicking the button. It comes set up with two modes, noise cancellation mode and transparency mode. If I wanted to enable off, I can always click that, and I can set up the digital crown from here, so I'll click that. And I'll have to see which one works best for me, but I'll just hit back to front for now. And these are some other things I can customize, but I'm not going to change anything here. I do want to keep the automatic head detection on. I'll keep connect to this phone automatically on, and I'll also keep spatial audio on here as well. But if I ever wanted to turn them off, I would go here and hit this. Next, I'll open up the Find My app and make sure it's on my list of devices and on the map. At the bottom, I'll click Devices, and it's showing there, but I'm not going to show you where I'm at, but it's there. And when I click on it, it gives me the option to either play a sound or directions to where they're at. I'm curious what the sound sounds like, so I'm going to click that. Play sound. That is a futuristic sound. Cool. Kind of like it. And to make it stop, I'll hit on stop. So that's the sound it'll make if you're ever trying to find them. Me just being curious, I kind of want to know what the AirPods Pro sound is, so I'm going to try that, just for fun. The things I do for fun, honestly. So much quieter. Now I'll hit stop. Can confirm, AirPods Max sound is way cooler. Now I know these are connected to my Find My app, and I can check that app to find their last location if I ever lose them. And I can also play that sound to find them. And for any Spotify users, if you go into your settings and scroll down to audio quality, I check to make sure my streaming quality is set to high. And now I'll connect them to my laptop. I'll go to the Bluetooth icon here, and they're actually already connected. So I bet since I'm signed into iCloud on this computer, and I'm signed into iCloud on my iPhone, the headphones recognize that, and now I'm all connected. And if you don't have this Bluetooth icon here, and you want to add it to this bar on top, you can go into System Preferences and add it there. System Preferences is this gear icon, and then choose Bluetooth, and click the check next to Show Bluetooth in Menu Bar. And once it's there, you can go to Bluetooth Preferences, Options next to the AirPods Max, and you can customize your headphones from your computer too. Alright, I'm all set up on I'm so excited I can't even talk. Alright, I'm all set up on all my devices, and now I'll try them on. Alright, make sure I'm putting them on the right way. They have an R and an L in them. R, L. Alright, well, try my best. Big moment, here we go. Wow. They're definitely all around my ear. I need to shorten them. That's better. I have a small head, and these feel a little bit big. Oh, I just need to move it forward. They're fine. The mesh band on the top is comfortable. They're easy to expand. The ear cushions are very soft. Should I model them? Here's side view. Back. Other side view. Modeling agencies, don't all call at once. There's a line. Ugh, alright. They're big. I mean, I think there's no denying that. So first I want to test out how good the noise cancellation is. So I'm going to play music loud on my phone and see how well these block it out. I will be playing Soulmate by Lizzo, for those wondering. So I'm in transparency mode first. I was not expecting this, but there's a microphone. So when I'm talking, it's almost as if I'm talking to a microphone that's going into these speakers. Wow, that's cool. And now I'm in noise cancellation mode, and I can still hear it, but it's way quieter. I also have the AirPods Pro, and I want to see if the AirPods Max has better noise cancellation than the Pros, so I'll test that out now. I just tested the noise cancellation on both of these, and the AirPods Max does do a little bit better, but the AirPods Pro also do a really good job. But the Max is a tiny bit better, from my extensive research. Thanks to Lizzo. Now we'll test the sound quality and listen to some music. And to activate Siri, I can click and hold on the crown and then start talking, which I do like, so I don't have to keep saying, "Hey Siri," all the time. Play my favorites playlist. Defying Gravity. Wow. I'm exposed. Siri exposed me. Yes, Wicked is one of my favorite musicals. I've seen it 3 times. Anyway, and I can adjust the volume with the crown. It's taking everything in me to not sing along with this. I'm cutting that. Just kidding, I'm keeping it in. The sound quality is amazing. And if I double click on the crown, I can skip to the next song, so I'll try that. And if I wanted to go back to the previous song, I can click the crown 3 times and it would bring me back. And if I wanted to listen to music with someone else, I can swipe down from the top right of the screen and then hit the blue icon on the top right that's glowing. And now if someone else wanted to listen to Defying Gravity with me, they can. I will click the check mark next to their headphones, and now we can both listen. And we can do different volumes too, which is nice. Turn it up. I could also make phone calls through Siri by clicking the crown, and I can also answer phone calls by clicking the crown. And even if I'm listening to music. And now I'm gonna go test out what it's like to walk with these on. BRB, I'm back. So I'm definitely not gonna be jogging with these, but they are comfortable to walk with. They're not sweat or water resistant though, so it's not a good idea to wear them if it's gonna rain. I tested the bleed on these earlier, so shout out to my mom for helping me test that. I was sitting right next to her, and when the music was at about 75%, I could start to hear it. So if you're playing music louder than 75%, the people around you can probably hear. Now for my review. So the headphones are big. I can already tell when I go on walks and jogs, I'll be using the AirPods Pro still, but once I'm home and listening to music or watching movies, I'll definitely be using the AirPods Max all the time. I'll also wear them a lot on airplanes, so it's not as loud. I personally think the listening experience and noise cancellation is better than the AirPods Pro, but it's not way better. I would say it's a little better. The AirPods Pro are already so great to begin with, and they are way more practical. So in my opinion, if you don't have the AirPods Pro yet, get that first, and then go for the AirPods Max, if you're looking for a more practical headphone. But if you want the best of the best in terms of comfort and listening quality, then I would go with the AirPods Max. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you like this video. If you have the AirPods Max, comment below what you think of them. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Or if you know of other good noise cancellation headphones, comment those below too. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Bye. Gotta go defy gravity. I definitely lost subscribers for that. Bye.